Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a crypto challenge from TJCTF. So here is the challenge you can see. This challenge used a system called Diffie-Hellman to create a secret number. To make this secret number, it needs two private numbers, A and B. Usually these private numbers are super random and huge. But look here, A is just picked from 11 number near G. That's very good and a small choice. So here are the challenge files you can see. Let's see what is inside it. So you can see here are the parameters. We are given P, G and another number U. The U was made using the secret number A. Since A can only be one of the 11 things, so we can just try all 11s, whichever one is the U we are given. That's our A. Okay, let's see another files. So this is the encrypt pi, the challenge file. So here you can see the flag is hidden in two stages. First, the piece of the flag had a small number added, then the whole thing was multiplied by the shared key here. So to undo this, we take the big numbers from the file and divide our shared key. So here, dynamic XOR encrypt. The second step was that the flag was written backwards and then it later was mixed up with a special XOR key made from our shared key. So it's the encrypt script. So according to it, I made a solve script. Let's see that. So this is my solve script. The parameter values are here and the cybertext are here. This is the script. So let's run it. So here we found a shared key and we got our flag here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.